What shall I cook today?
Hi friends, we meet again. Today I am going to fulfill a subscriber's request for vegetarian asam rebus. Asam rebus ada belacan, but today I will teach you the vegetarian version, and as a bonus, sambal belacan pun ada. But before that, let me get my ingredients. Okay friends, I'm going to cook now. Do you know why this dish is called asam rebus? This dish uses no oil, and the main ingredient of this asam rebus is tamarind juice. But of course, the star of this dish is belacan. But today I am not going to use belacan. Tapi rasa sedap when you pair it with a good sambal belacan. Nanti I ajar buat sambal belacan juga ya. Vegetarian version pun ada. Watch till the end. Jangan cabut lari pula. This asam rebus is very healthy. Use fresh turmeric instead of turmeric powder. Only then you get the authentic taste and full health benefits. The aroma of the asam rebus, sedap. For vegetarian sambal belacan, I will be using roasted garlic. It gives a very similar taste to the actual belacan. Those with sinus problem pun boleh buat this sambal. This sambal is a very good appetizer for almost anything. Various soups, masak lemak, dal kari, or even on its own with steamy rice. Try and let me know in the comment section, yeah? I will tell you a secret. Roughly pound shallots in this sambal. It will make the sambal so tasty and crunchy. And when you eat it, mesti tambah nasi tau. Jangan main-main, sedap loh. Here I am using tomatoes in my sambal. You can also use belimbing bulo, calamansi juice, lime and lemon juice, mangoes, or even pineapple chunks. Adding this will enhance the flavor and kasih to the sambal. You trust me. It is normal for everyone to use red chilies to make sambal belacan. But those who don't know, we can also make sambal belacan using dried chilies. Moreover, to make the roasted garlic sambal, the best choice is dried chilies. The smokiness from the garlic blends well with the dry chilies. Belacan too will taste good with the chilies. Oh yeah, one more thing I want to tell you. To make a tasty sambal belacan, it is important to roast the belacan well. The belacan has to be light in weight when it is thoroughly cooked. Remember, don't burn it, otherwise it will be bitter. Kalau boleh, jangan goreng belacan tu dengan minyak. Kurang sedap lah. Okay, I am done cooking. I hope my subscriber who requested for this recipe will enjoy cooking this dish and makan together with the family. And for the rest of you, hopefully you try this too. Thank you. If you like this recipe and enjoy this video, give this video a thumbs up and share with others. I would like to hear from you in the comment section. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe and hit the bell button for the latest updates. Thank you for your support. Happy cooking. Bye.